Hey, this is Miss Eisencraft, and I'm here just to show you how to set up your new geometry unit 3 through 5 book. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is put your name on the front. So you'll take a big note card and you'll put your name. Oops, period. Whatever period you are. Okay, then I'll come around with some special tape, or you can just use regular tape. I have some packing tape that will just cover that whole thing. Next, this book has count them 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3 units. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our note cards and I'm just going to cut them in half and I'm going to make some tabs because I'm going to mark the units and I'm going to mark the glossary. So I'm just going to fold it in half. Okay. And then I'm going to cut it. Now each of these will become a tab. Okay. So we will have unit. I like to see it on both sides. Unit 3. Unit 4. And unit 5. There we go. There we go. I know you guys can do this. Okay, then the glossary is also really important. Okay, just sometimes annoying to try to flip through and find, so we'll mark it glossary. So I've already tabbed my other book, so I'm going to look. It looks like Unit 3 starts on page 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab page 6, and remember your tabs in order for them to work and not rip your pages. Okay, there's page 6. Let me zoom this back. So I want it to stick out like this, and you know this might be just overkill on explanation, but not too much because if it's way out here, it'll tear your paper. And this is on both sides, right? It's like eating a piece of paper. Okay, have it stick out a little bit, not too much. What you're going to do is you're going to grab your tape. Okay, on page, I think it's before page 6. You're going to tape it right here. You can reinforce this later, but you do need to tape it on this side too, or it will not work. So this is page 6. Okay, the next one is Unit 4, which starts on page 124. Okay, so Unit 4, what I'll do is I'll stagger it a little bit from where Unit 3 was. But I want it to be beautiful, right? Beautiful. Okay, so Unit 4 will go right here. Tape. Again, you can reinforce the sides here a little bit later. On page 124, both sides, guys. Okay, then Unit 5. Unit 5 is on page 202. Unit 5 is all about solid geometry. Look at these fun pictures. Okay, Unit 5. Right there. Okay. Unit 5. And then I believe the glossary, that's looking good. The glossary is on page 346. Fun watching you flip through this. Okay, 346. There's your glossary. We can go back. I'm going to go back up to the top. Give room down below. I staggered mine a little bit too much, so I'm going to start at the top again. Okay, glossary, having it stick out just a little. Then your teacher will come around with some packing tape, right? So it should look like this. Right, you have unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, there's your glossary. Then your teacher can come around with some packing tape. I'll show you it should look like this. You could use regular old tape as well. This kind of reinforces things. Super annoying sound. Oh, gross. There we go. Look at how beautiful that is. Now, Ms. Austin showed me how to make this pocket. I think I used to do it in middle school too with the interactive notebooks. A lot of us sometimes have papers and they just get super messy. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a pocket. So there's basically zoom out. Can't zoom out anymore. There's 1, 2, 3, about 3 pages that you really don't need here. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold it down. You're going to take 2 pages. Yeah, let's do that. Let's actually take 1, 2, you're going to take your 3 pages, grab them all, and you're going to fold them down, okay? If you notice, this makes like a little pocket. So if we fold this down, make a nice crease here. This will be where we could tuck things, okay? So what we need to do, though, is we need to tape this down. So we need to tape it across here. And across the bottom here. I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. Okay, so there's your pocket. But look, it's not really a pocket if it's not attached over here. So you're going to pull up this page, just this single page, and you're going to tape this shut right here. This is a little bit annoying, but you can do it. Okay, so I'm just going to have a little bit of tape hanging over. I'm going to grab 1 page. See this unit 3? Okay, I'm going to grab it, tape it over like that. What I do is tape it over there, okay? And then, so that not everything slides out the bottom, I'm going to tape this part shut too. So remember, I grabbed 3 pages though. So I'm going to take the bottom, okay? I think the easiest way to do it is to have a little bit of tape hanging off, right? See, I have a little bit of tape hanging off there. A little bit of tape hanging off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up my pocket, turn it over, and then I'm going to take these little flaps of tape and close up my pocket so stuff doesn't fall out the bottom. It's kind of complicated, almost origami-ish, but I believe you guys, and a lot of you had a lot of papers that you didn't know what to do with, so now you have a little pocket. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, I hope your unit 3 through 5 geometry book is beautiful.